everyone. Welcome back to My English Teacher. I'm Emily, and today we're talking about one of the happiest things in life, food and drinks.
Hey guys, I'm Paul. I can already feel my stomach growling. Talking about food always makes me hungry.
Same here. You know, food is more than just something we eat. It's how we share stories, connect with people, and express who we are.
Exactly. Think about it. When you meet new friends, you often ask, "What's your favorite food?" It's such a warm, easy way to start a conversation.
That's why today's lesson is special. You'll learn how to talk about your favorite food and drinks in simple, natural English. So stay with us till the end.
And if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let's make English part of your daily life, one delicious conversation at a time.
All right, let's set the scene. It's a Saturday evening, you're with your friends at a cozy restaurant. The smell of grilled chicken and fresh coffee fills the air.
The waiter smiles and asks, "What would you like to order?" That's your moment to speak, but sometimes it's not easy to find the right words, right?
Exactly. So let's practice together. Start simple. My favorite food is, or I really love eating.
For example, my favorite food is pasta, or I love eating spicy noodles.
Let's make it more natural. You can say, I could eat sushi every day, or I'm crazy about Thai food.
Nice. And don't forget your tone. When you talk about something you love, smile. Let your voice show that excitement.
Right. Language isn't just about words, it's about feeling. When you say, I love pizza, say it like you mean it.
Now, let's talk about drinks. What's your favorite drink, Emily?
Definitely coffee, especially iced coffee with milk. It keeps me awake and happy.
I knew it. You're a coffee person. I'm more of a tea guy. Green tea in the morning makes me feel calm and focused.
That's a good combo. Let's teach some useful phrases for talking about drinks. I usually drink black coffee in the morning. I prefer tea to coffee.
Or you can say, I'm not a fan of. For example, I'm not a fan of energy drinks.
Exactly. And if someone asks you, would you like something to drink? You can reply, yes, please, I'd like some water. Or, I'll have orange juice.
Let's make a short practice. Everyone watching, repeat after me. I'll have a cup of coffee, please.
Again, with emotion. I'll have a cup of coffee, please. You can even imagine saying it at your favorite cafe.
Now let's build a mini conversation.
Hi, what would you like to eat?
I think I'll have a cheeseburger and fries. How about you?
I'll go for a salad and some grilled chicken. I'm trying to eat healthy today.
Good choice. And what would you like to drink?
A lemonade, please. It's hot today.
Same here. Let's get 2 lemonades then.
That's perfect. Simple, friendly, and real. You can use this kind of conversation anywhere, at a cafe, restaurant, or even at home.
Let's highlight some key phrases from that dialogue. I'll have, how about you? I'm trying to. These are natural expressions people use every day.
Let's do a mini practice together. Repeat aloud after us. I'll have a sandwich and orange juice, please.
One more time. I'll have a sandwich and orange juice, please.
Great job. Every time you repeat, you're training your mouth, your memory, and your confidence.
That's right. Learning English is like learning a recipe. You mix words, practice, taste, and adjust.
Beautifully said. So, what about you? What's your favorite food or drink?
Take a moment to think. Maybe it's something your mom cooks or your favorite street food. Comment below and tell us.
And remember, you don't need perfect grammar to share your love for food. The most important thing is expression and connection.
Speaking English is like cooking. It's okay to make mistakes. Each mistake teaches you something new.
Exactly. Done is better than perfect. You just have to start speaking.
Let's keep going. Next, we'll show you how to describe taste and flavor.
All right, let's talk about describing food. You can't just say good or delicious all the time, right? Let's make it more colorful.
For example, you can say it's sweet, it's salty, it's spicy, or it's sour. These are the basic taste words.
Then you can go further. Crispy, juicy, creamy, tender. Try saying, the chicken is juicy and tender, or the bread is soft and warm.
Nice. When you describe food like that, people can almost taste it.
Exactly. Let's build another short conversation using those words.
Hey, Emily, how's your food?
It's amazing. The soup is hot and creamy, and the bread is so soft.
That sounds great. Mine is a bit spicy, but I love it. The chicken is crispy on the outside and juicy inside.
Perfect example. Now, everyone, try to describe your favorite food in one sentence. Think of the flavor, texture, and feeling.
For example, my favorite dessert is chocolate cake. It's rich, soft, and sweet.
I love that. And don't forget to express your feelings. Say, I feel happy when I eat it. Or, it reminds me of home.
That's so true. Food connects us to memories, people, and places.
Exactly. When you describe food, you're not just learning vocabulary, you're sharing a story.
Speaking of stories, do you remember that time we tried street food in Bangkok?
Oh, yes. The sound of sizzling oil, the smell of grilled meat, the spicy sauce, unforgettable.
I can still feel the heat from that chili, but the experience was worth it.
That's another great phrase. It was worth it, meaning something was difficult or painful, but still good in the end.
Exactly. That spicy food burned my mouth, but it was worth it.
Haha, perfect. Now, let's do our vocabulary spotlight.
Today's words are crispy, juicy, creamy, spicy, refreshing, delicious, worth it.
Crispy means something that makes a little crunch sound when you bite it, like fries or chips.
Juicy means full of liquid, like a juicy orange or steak.
Creamy means smooth and rich, like ice cream or soup.
Spicy means with strong, hot flavor.
Refreshing means something that makes you feel cool or fresh, like lemonade or iced tea.
And worth it means something was difficult but rewarding.
Nice and simple. Let's use them together. The smoothie was cold and refreshing.
The pizza was crispy and cheesy.
Great. Now, everyone, try to make your own sentence using one of these words.
Write it in the comments. We'll check them and give you a thumbs up.
Before we finish, here's a small tip. When you talk about food, you can also share opinions. Say, in my opinion, sushi is the best, or I think Italian food is delicious.
And if you want to sound polite, you can say, I prefer instead of I like. For example, I prefer tea to coffee.
Exactly. Tiny details like that make your English sound more natural.
You're doing great. Every time you talk about your favorite food, you're not just learning English, you're learning confidence.
And connection, because food brings people together, just like language does.
So keep speaking, keep tasting, and keep enjoying the process.
Even if you remember just one phrase from today, maybe, "I'll have a cup of coffee," or "It was worth it," you're already improving.
Exactly. Step by step, bite by bite, word by word, you're growing.
Thank you for joining us today on My English Teacher.
Don't forget to subscribe, share this video, and comment below your favorite food and drink.
We can't wait to read your answers. Until next time, keep speaking, keep smiling, and enjoy your English journey.
See you soon, everyone.